Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. Reading po ito for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin nyo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa inyo. Let's start your reading. Para sa personal reading, June Tarot Reader. Ayan. So, pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. You do have here the Page of Swords and the Eight of Cups. I feel like some of you, there's someone here na pwedeng kinakat off mo or hinahayaan mong mawala sa buhay mo in the future. You know, I can see the Page of Cups. This is a kid. So this is you na pwedeng you're letting go of something or someone, maybe a business partner, or pwedeng may relationship, business relationship, maybe contract, or let's just say mga taong nagbigay sa'yo ng hopes, no? Or somehow nakatulong sa healing mo. Nung kailangan mo na dyan itong mga taong to. Sino man to, no? And nakita natin yung partnership ninyong dalawa. No? Pwedeng isa or marami sila. It doesn't matter. But for now, you want to be happy. And pwedeng yung pagka-cut off sa kanila is a way na tingin mo magkakaroon ka ng improvements or happiness in the future. Sino ba to person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. You do over the moon. The Six of Wands. This could be a person who secretly admires you. I feel like it's a secret. Kasi pwedeng, the moon is about secret. So, pwedeng ina-admire ka niya sa malayuan. This could be a friend or a person who is not being honest sa emotions niya towards you. Okay? But this person is I feel like gusto niya rin yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Like, maybe your parents, your relatives. Yan, kumbaga merong mga tao sa paligid mo na parang nakaka-admire para sa kanya. Whatever you do in life, your life is the life na hinihiling niya or wish niya or pangarap niya or dreams niya. Gusto ko ng ganyang buhay eh. Kung ano yung buhay na meron ka ngayon, yan yung pangarap ko eh. Maybe like that. So, this person admires you a lot. And some of you, if this is a friend, maybe nagagawa niyang ayusin ang buhay mo. Maybe there's partnership between the two of you. So, kaya niyang intindihin yung mga kamalian mo, kaya niyang ayusin, etc. The Ten of Wands is here. I'm seeing a person who has a lot of responsibilities. Medyo marami siyang obligasyon. And pwedeng may mga bago pa ulit na obligasyon ngayon. So, anyway, what is your emotion sa isa't isa? Ano yung mga emosyon nyo sa isa't isa? Ten of Cups and the Five of Swords. Emosyon niya para sa'yo. Seven of Pentacles. The Fool. Let me clarify the Fool. The Fool is a major arcana. Nine of Swords. And the World. So I feel like some of you do love this person. Mahal mo siya with the Ten of Cups. With the Five of Swords, maaaring may something ka na wini-work out either sa sarili mo or kung may mga bagay kang kina-cut off sa buhay mo, it is for you to mag-create ng something na maganda or something new. Either for yourself or maybe if you do love this person, kasi yung iba nga sa inyo mahal mo parang to create space for this person. So pwedeng kaya ka nagka-cut off, nagle-let go ng mga partnership. Maybe you see this person na magwa-match kasi siya doon sa aalisan na partnership nitong mga taong ito. Maybe if this is a friend, you're taking power now na you want more than friendship sa inyong dalawa. You're being creative, and you're creating change kasi gusto mo talaga ng change din sa connection ninyo. Seven of Swords is here, so some of you, you're preparing yourself maybe for this person, for new beginning sa inyong dalawa. Not necessarily love, maybe may kinalaman sa career or maybe or some of you kung may kinalaman sa pera, or if you're a businessman, businesswoman, so pwedeng may mga inaalis kang empleyado kasi you want to help this person, you want this person to be part of your life, to be part of your company, you know what I mean? So you're clearing things or space, you're making space for this person. And nagiging creative ka dito because na with the help of this person, may makikreate kang something beautiful. You can improve more, or you see yourself na nasa isang activity wherein continuous on learning, and this person might be the one that could help you reach your full potential, and you are being inspired by this person. Okay, emotion niya sa'yo is the Seven of Pentacles. I feel like this person wants to to get you, parang may ganong energy, or want to tell you something, want to give you something, pero parang hindi pa handa, hindi pa ready. I can see a woman here who is already checking out this coins or fruits. Nakikita mo yung pentacles dito is nasa puno, pero parang nakikita niya ito, it's not yet hinog, it's not yet ready, and that is your person na pwedeng I'm not yet ready to share. I feel like it has something to do with money. So, kung magte-take ako ng risk with the fool, I'm not yet ready kasi maybe the money is not yet enough, or siya mismo hindi pa ako ready mag-take ng risk with regards sa partnership, with regards to home. Maybe some of you kailangan niya lumipat ng home kung magkakaroon ng partnership sa inyo, but this person feels like hindi pa siya ready financially, and appearance niya, there's a lot of um, bagay na kailangan pang ayusin sa buhay niya, and he or she is full of insecurities. You know what I mean? Nandun yung gusto niya mag-take ng risk because, nakikita naman niya uh, na may purpose ka sa buhay niya, or may purpose just in case siya ay dumating sa buhay mo, there's this beautiful partnership, connection sa inyong dalawa. Both of your strength ay nagmamatch, so this person sees that. But with the Nine of Swords, there's problem. With regards sa kanyang emotion, the world is here. The world. I see the world as whole. I see the world as something very beautiful. No? And if this emotion with the moon is, and the moon is about secrets, and the world is whole or buo, complete, there's complete, or like buong buo ang emosyon na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. And I want to clarify more about this, the world. What's with the world? Ano yung emotions niya? Ano tong buong ito? Yeah, we're the Four of Wands. Six of Cups. Hindi kasi para sa lahat itong part na ito. And of course, ayoko naman mag-expect yung iba. So, ang energy, if this is a person in the past, like maybe a past person wherein nagkaroon na ng stability sa inyo, something very stable. Maybe dati na kayong naging mag-partner, in a career, in a work, in a business, or maybe if dati na kayong nag-live-in. The Four of Wands is something stable, a home, or a business wherein may partnership, matibay, may kontrata, ganyan. So kung nagkaroon na kayo ng ganun, there's intense or love mula dito sa taong to, and it's a whole love, lalo na with the High Priestess. Some of you, this is a spiritual connection. Okay? Mahal ka niya, but like this life na meron kayo ngayon, pwedeng inaasar kayo pareho. Pareho kayong tinitis ng buhay na ito. Inaasar ka ng buhay na ito kasi might be, although you do love this person, may mga bagay na kailangan i-work out muna during this separation sa inyo. Yeah? And what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito? Queen of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. Temperance. Two of Cups. Clarify the Ace of Swords, please. Queen of Wands. What's with the Two of Cups? King of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. What's with the Queen of Pentacles? Ten of Swords. And then there's this Two of Wands at the bottom of the deck and the Two of Pentacles. Three of Swords is here and the Death card. In the near future, I can see you being the Queen of Pentacles. You will be more focused sa iyong career. You will be more focused sa iyong money, possession. You are maybe even your fitness. With regards to your health, with regards to your maybe home. Ayan, nandun yung focus mo eh. I can still see you waiting in the future. Ten of Swords, I can see an ending. Maybe sa connection or sa relationship niyo nitong taong ito because and honestly with the Two of Cups, this is another connection, another relationship, another partnership na involves. With the Ace of Swords, this is you na parang what's the reason? Parang sa isip-isip mo, anong rason pa para i-continue or hintayin or, you know, what's the purpose? So, with the Two of Wands, I can see you na may mga plano ka regarding sa mga bagay na ipa-priority mo and for you to serve yung daily life mo, ano, anong gagawin mo, service mo to people, yung career mo, work mo, yan. Three of Swords and the Death card, so yeah, possible of another person that would be the reason, the main reason kung bakit may pagka-cut off na mangyayari in the future with the Queen of Swords. Like, you have no choice but to cut off this person because of the other partner's situation. And you do have the Temperance and the Two of Cups. King of Wands is here. This is your person. Although you are the Queen of Wands, kahit ikaw yung Queen of Wands dito, your King of Wands is I feel like nandun yung pag-iisip pa rin sa'yo nitong person na to. Tell me about this. I'm gonna take this, masyadong marami. What's with the King of Wands? King of Wands is clarified by the Devil and the Eight of Swords and the Empress. Yeah, this person still likes you. Nandun pa rin yung pagkagusto sa'yo. But with the Eight of Swords, I feel like, you know, this person sees you as the Devil and the Empress. Gusto kita, pero mali or bawal. You know, the Devil is like looking at the chocolate cake, pero hindi pwede because you do have diabetes. You know what I mean? Parang tingin sa'yo na to person na to is like, gusto kita. You're the chocolate cake of my life. Pero I have diabetes and the diabetes is yung third person, could be, di ba? Third party situation. And the Eight of Swords, this person is stuck. Parang wala siyang choice kundi you know, the Hierophant. There's a lot of lesson na kailangan pang matutunan nitong person nito. Hindi siya makawala dun sa situation because may mga lessons pa siyang kailangan matutunan doon. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.